Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn one more advanced topic and interesting topic that in your company a secret allies that I will tell you. Let's say you have a company. In your company, you have so many desktops will be there, right? Yes, there are so many desktops will be there. Let's say these are my desktops. Now, a new user, let's say Ajay is my new user who joined in my company. Okay. So company will give a company email and password to Ajay, right? Yeah. With this email and password, can Ajay log into any system present in the company? Yes, right. Yeah. How does every desktop remember this Ajay's email and password? No, Ajay got a question. This Ajay think maybe admin has created a local user in each and every desktop of him so that he can able to log into every desktop. Since if admin creates this local user in every desktop, then only that every desktop can remember this Ajay user ID and password, that is email and password, then only Ajay can able to log in, right? Yes. With with Ajay, let's say there are 100 co-employees are there in his company. Everyone uses any one of the desktop. Then Ajay think it is not possible for admin to create these 100 users in every desktop, right? Yeah. Then Ajay had a question in his mind that how admin manages all these users, emails and passwords with every system. Then Ajay interestingly asked this question to one of his friend admin, one of his admin friend Sri. Now Sri relieved the secret answer that Ajay asked by telling there is a separate server are present in every company to maintain all your emails and passwords. There is a separate server. We call that separate server as Active Directory or domain controller. Then Ajay immediately asked one of the AWS architect, sir, is there any Active Directory or domain controller which is present in AWS? Yes. Then he answered, there is a directory service. There is a directory service which is present in AWS, which acts like this Active Directory. Then again, Ajay asked, how does this works? Then Ajay asked Sri that, how does this work, Sri? How does this Active Directory work? Admins join all these desktops to Active Directory. Whenever you log into any of the desktop, whenever you log into any of the desktop, this Active Directory will check or validate your request by using protocol. So every desktop is connected to this Active Directory. It is nothing but a server. So we can also call the server as domain controller also. So since every desktop is connected to this Active Directory, can we can we able to can we able to check each and every time while a new user is joined? Yes, we can able to check from the server the new user credentials in this Active Directory whenever a new user joins. So is there any service in AWS where this Active Directory service is providing in that service? Yes. What is that service? Directory service. So I hope you learned a new concept in this video. So one more important point, how this Active Directory works, by using which protocol this Active Directory will work is, it will work using any one of the protocol, that is either LDP protocol, either LD AP protocol, it will work, or either OAuth protocol, it will work, or Okta protocol. By using these protocols, by using any one of the protocol, this Active Directory will work. So how your company is maintaining all your company domain emails? Let's say your company is having a domain email which is present like this, at the rate btechspark.com, right? For every company, their domain name ends with the company name, right? How do they control the domain names? That means, how do they control these domain names? Whenever you are logging in, there will be a domain controller which you can see in the login, that is at the rate some company name, like that a domain controller is this only, is this server only, which is present in the backend of the company, backend of your desktops. Whenever you try to log into your desktop, then this Active Directory will comes into picture. And whenever, since these desktops are connected to Active Directory or domain controller, whenever you try to log into any desktop, that is any company's desktop, your logins will be validated by whom? This Active Directory or domain controller. Then by using which protocol it happens? LDP or OAuth or Okta. Okay. So after validating, if the email and password are correct, then your request is accepted and you can able to log into any one of the desktop. In this way, actually the maintaining of company happens. In this way, your mail is saved. Okay. So what is the service? What is the service? Same as like this, which is present in AWS Directory Services. What is the service? Directory Services. So if anybody ask you where all your company emails and passwords are saved, how your domain mail is controlled. Your domain mail is controlled by using a secret server called Active Directory or domain controller. There, all your emails and passwords are saved. Whenever you try to log into any one of the desktop in company, then the request will send to where? Active Directory or domain controller, and then the request will be validated. If your request is valid, then only the login will be happen. Otherwise, the login won't happen, right? Since due to some incorrect username or password or email, the login won't happen. So in this way, every company will control their domain names by using this Active Directory or domain controller. Is there any directory service which is present in AWS? Yes. What is the service name? Directory service only. So by using this directory service, we can able to maintain all our company, that means domain controller emails and passwords in AWS. Okay. So how these desktops is connected to your Active Directory? We just join them. That's it. Okay. By using which protocol this all happens? This happens by using LDAP, auth, oct, Okta. By using these protocols, this will happen. So I hope you learned one more advanced concept in AWS, that is directory services. Why we use directory services, and when we use directory services, how it works. I think everything you have a idea on it. So thanks for watching. See you back in the next video. I hope this video is contentful to you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you guys. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye.